Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Baby Naija lockdown. We should have a baby girl and name her Leila. Kidwaya tells Watoni. Baby Naija Kidwaya has made his intention of having a baby with his fellow housemate Watoni as he asks her to let them have a baby together. The billionaire son said this after his first kiss with Watoni during the Truth or Dare game, and it appears he's trying to take things forward with her. But one thing which is clear is whether he's trying to flirt with all the ladies in the house, because he also flirts with Nengi, asking to buy her a ring. As of now, his intentions aren't clear, but one thing is for sure, that the billionaire son is definitely in love with one of the ladies he has been flirting with. And don't forget that Erica is still at the corner, and we don't know what plans he has for Erica. But for some time now, we've been seeing him hover around Watoni. I think a relationship is about to spring out from this, between two of them, between Kidwaya and Watoni.